Hello everybody! Since tomorrow is July 4th, Independence Day in the United States, I thought it would be a great time to make a video about how to make a crochet star. So I made one already in red. It's a very simple star to make, but I'm going to make it in blue. Now, I can't tell you what yarn I'm using, but it is this enormous skein of yarn that my mom gave me. She received it from a friend who was trying to get rid of yarn that she already had. So I thought, let's use the yarn we already have to make a star. You will need a hook. I am using 5.5 millimeters. This is worsted weight yarn. So you could use like a 5 or even a 4.5 millimeter hook. You'll need yarn needles for weaving in your ends. And you will need scissors. You don't need stitch markers for this one because you're only doing one round of the magic circle, but feel free to use it if it's helpful. All right, let's begin. We're going to start with a magic circle. If you don't know how to make a magic circle, I have made a video in my crochet playlist so that you can learn how to do this. You're going to do 15 double crochets, but your first double crochet is going to be a chain 2 that counts as the first double crochet. So let's do a chain 2. 1, 2, and then you're going to do 14 more double crochets in the magic circle. Now, we need to count to make sure that there are 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus our chain 2. We're going to then pull it closed, but not all the way. You don't want to tighten it all the way, but you do want to tighten the circle. Okay, you're going to insert your hook into the top of the first double crochet, and you're going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to close the circle by inserting into the top. So there's their chain 2 that you had made, and there's the first double crochet stitch. Insert, pull up a loop. You have 2 on the hook. You're going to pull this front one through the back one. Now, what you can do is close the circle by pulling on this. There you go. Closed it up. You're now going to start on the points. The points are as follows. 5 chain stitches. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're then going to do a single crochet into the second chain from the hook, a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook, a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook, and a treble crochet in the fifth chain from the hook. So, first chain from the hook, single crochet, half double into the second from the hook. I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet. It's super easy. Yarn over, as you would with a regular double crochet. Insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then instead of pulling through 2, as you would with a double crochet, you're going to pull through all 3. Then you're going to do a regular double crochet, so yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop. You have 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and a treble crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have our first corner. We will need to put 5 corners on the circle. Remember that we started with 15, so 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we're going to insert our hook into the 3rd stitch from the point we just made. So that we can place the point onto the circle, we're going to slip stitch into that 3rd stitch from the point. 1, 2, 3. Insert, pull up a loop, pull the front through the back. Now we've attached the point to the circle. We're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet into the 2nd chain from the hook. Half double into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And treble, yarn over, insert. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And yarn over, pull through 2 again. 3rd stitch from our point, we're going to insert our hook, pull up a loop, and slip stitch. There's our 2nd point. You're going to do this 3 more times, and I will show you what to do at the very end. All right, so this was our final point. This is the top triangle. So we need to slip stitch. So we're going to slip stitch into the 3rd from that point. It's a little bit tough. So there's our stitch, right? And we need to put it right in this space, right here. So let's see. There we go. Insert, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch. There we go. All right, I'm going to tighten the center again. Okay. Then I'm going to snip this. What I do is I pull this through this loop that's over my hook, and I tighten. So there we have it. Now I need to weave in my ends. So I use a yarn needle. All right, there's this one. This one's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna pull this through. And I'm going to weave it in. So the way that I weave it in is I start by just putting it in like this. And then I go and do a row in the other direction. And I do it one more time. And then I cut it close to, you see, close to here. And then when you pull it, it goes into a circle. I could have tightened this circle even better before doing that. Oh well. Let's do this one though. All right, since this one is at a corner, and we had done this as the back. No, this is the back. Okay, so we're going to do it through this. No, not through the point. Okay, and let's do it through here. All right, there you go. So here's our blue star and our red star. I could have tightened the magic circle better, but there you go. It's a very easy star to make. Feel free to slow it down and watch it as many times as you need, but the stitches are very simple. Thank you, everybody.